Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your laptop and the internet. It hides your IP and protects data with 256-bit AES encryption for privacy. Use a VPN for public Wi-Fi, geo-unblocking, and secure remote work connections. Choose a no-logs provider with a verified audit and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Understand local laws and employer policies before using a VPN for sensitive tasks. Keep the VPN software updated and enable two-factor authentication when available. Start by selecting a reputable provider that supports OpenVPN, WireGuard, and 256-bit encryption. Install the laptop client for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux from the provider's official site. Log in, enable the kill switch, and activate automatic startup on boot for protection. Pick a nearby server for best speed or a specific country for geo-unblocking. Use UDP ports like 1194 for OpenVPN or 51820 for WireGuard if manual setup is needed. Enable split tunneling if you need some apps to bypass the VPN securely. Connect to a server, then verify your new IP at an online IP check service. Run a DNS leak test and ensure DNS servers match the VPN provider. Expect typical speed drops of 10 to 20% depending on distance and protocol. If speeds are poor, try a different protocol, server, or switching to a nearby location. Update network drivers, restart the laptop, and contact support within 24 hours if needed. Log out of unnecessary accounts and always disconnect the VPN when using trusted local networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.